Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform, today topic is very important because today we will discuss working of HVAC, principle of HVAC, or we will learn in this video through diagram that how HVAC works. So this video is very important. Watch the complete video to learn complete functioning of HVAC. And if you have not subscribed our channel, first of all subscribe the channel and press bell icon button so that you can receive our all the videos notification. So let's start our video, which is functioning of HVAC or how HVAC works or principle of working of HVAC. Basically this is from here to here is AHU or air handling unit. This is the main component of this is the main component of HVAC system, heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. Before starting video, I would like to explain that for HVAC we have two possible mechanisms. In one case we use 100% fresh air and waste the exhaust air. In the second case we use combination of return air and fresh air. The 100% fresh air is used in those cases where we are dealing with dangerous chemicals or fumes and we do not use the return air. But here we will discuss the normal case, which is majority of pharmaceutical industries use, where we use combination of return air and fresh air. So today video will be based on the case where we use both return air and fresh air combination. So first of all, this is basically AHU, air handling unit. Air handling unit consists of many components like mixing box, pre-filter, bag filters, cooling coil, heating coil, blower or fan, and maybe the HEPA filter. From one side it is attached with the ducts, which is known as supply air duct or SAD. From the other side it is attached with return air duct or RAD, and also has fresh air duct or FAD. So it is a basic diagram of the HVAC supplying air to the area or room where we are performing our working. So we will discuss in this video the basic concept of the HVAC or basic principle of the HVAC working. First of all, when we are using return air and fresh air combination mixture system, the return air from the area enter into the box, which is known as mixing box. Why we called it mixing box? Because it mixes the fresh air and the return air. Usually we use 10 to 15% of fresh air and 85 to 90% of return air. Both these airs are mixed in this box, which is known as mixing box. After the mixing of fresh air and return air, this air pass through the filter, which is known as pre-filter. Basically pre-filters may be installed at this place where air is enter into the HVAC, but it may be in those cases where we use 100% fresh air and we do not use return air. In normal cases we use pre-filters after the mixing box. So return air and fresh air are mixed in this box. Then this air pass through the pre-filter. After passing through the pre-filter, it pass through the bag filters, and after passing through the bag filters, it flows or pass through the cooling coil. Basically, filters are for the purification or cleaning of the air. We will discuss in detail what is the pre-filter. We will also discuss in details about the bag filter, classification of bag filters. So do not worry, here is basic overview. Here is a cooling coil. We will discuss in detail about the cooling coil, but for a basic overview, you know cooling coil is used to cool the air. From one side we supply chilled water, and from other side the chilled water after heat exchange goes out. We have discussed this in our previous video. If you have not watched, the link is given in the description. After passing through the cooling coil, the air passes through the heating coil, and this is the fan or blower, which is basically responsible for the suction of air and then supply it through the supply air ducts or SAD, supply air ducts, to the room or area. Here we have diffusers. Different types of diffusers are used. We will discuss in detail in next video. HEPA filter may be installed here, or we can also use HEPA filter in the AHU. In majority of cases, basically HEPA filter is used terminally because it is more efficient when we use HEPA filter at the terminals, or you can also use HEPA filters in the air handling unit. So from the diffuser, the air is supplied in the room. Now this supplied air is basically conditioned air. We have controlled its humidity. For controlling humidity, we may also install humidification system or dehumidification system in the AHU. We will discuss in detail about the humidification or dehumidification system. In AHU, silica beads wheel is used to control the humidity. But as we are discussing about the basic overview, so we will discuss humidification and dehumidification system in separate video. So this conditioned air, when supplied into the room, it has controlled velocity, controlled air changes, controlled temperature, and controlled humidity. So this air then leaves the room through the return air grills. Here we also have a pre-filter. From return air grills, air enter into the return air duct, and then it is used for recirculation. Here we have a exhaust air duct. From return air we can exhaust some portion of the return air out to take the fresh air. So if we want to take 10 to 15% of fresh air, we will exhaust 10 to 15% of the return air. For controlling the air volume, we have different types of dampers which are installed at here and at these places. So now, for a basic overview, you have understand the working. Now for a proper functioning, basically this fan or blower pulls the air which pass through the pre-filter. The pattern of air movement is as from this air and this air. After combination or mixing in the mixing box, the air pass through pre-filters, then bag filters, then for cooling it pass through the cooling coil. If we want heating, it pass through the heating coils, then it pass through the HEPA filters, and from HEPA it is supplied into the room. From room this air leaves through the return duct, and then through return ducts it again comes into the mixing box, and this cycle continues and goes on. The humidity can also be controlled through heating and cooling system. So I told you about silica beads wheel, we will discuss in the separate video. Now I hope you are clear about the basic functioning of the HVAC, which seems very complex and most of us are not aware how HVAC system work. I tried my best to explain the working of heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. We will discuss in detail each and every component of AHU. We will discuss pre-filters. Pre-filters are also known as primary filters. We will discuss bag filters. Bag filters are also known as secondary filters. We will also discuss HEPA filters, which are known as tertiary filters. So for a basic revision, the return air and fresh air from outside are mixed in the mixing box. From mixing box, this air passes through the pre-filter, then it passes through the bag filters, then it passes through cooling coils, then it passes through the heating coils. This is the fan or blower which is responsible for the air suction and supply of the air to the area. This conditioned air then pass through the HEPA filter. If we have installed HEPA in the air handling unit, then this supply ducts supply the conditioned air to the area or room, and from area or room this air leaves the room or area through the return grills by return ducts, and it is again used for recirculation. Now hope it's clear to you. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel, share the video to other, and for the next video, Allah Hafiz.